In this video, I will talk about the best cloud hosting after doing tons of experiments over the last couple of years. With so many options available, it can be overwhelming to choose one. I have used cloud hosting services from many cloud hosting providers and finally settled with Cloudways. And in this video, I will go over the advantages of this cloud hosting. I will give you a full tutorial on how to use Cloudways. Then I will set up a live website and then I will show you how to set up a free SSL. Also, I'll be doing a live website migration into Cloudways for someone that wants to migrate their site into Cloudways. I've been using this service for the last couple of years and I'm blown away by the server performance and support. The reasons are they offer lightning fast website speeds, automatic backups, 24/7 live chat support, and they have this minimalistic user-friendly interface which makes it easy for non-technical persons like you and me to manage websites with one click button. Cloudways gives you the option to choose from 5 different cloud hosting providers: DigitalOcean, Vultr, Linode, AWS, and Google Cloud, and provides you with this simple control panel. This lets you take advantage of high powerful servers without needing a system level admin. And just within this panel, you have the total control in your hand. And with their affordable budget plans, you can get enterprise level hosting without breaking the bank. The servers are also SSD based and also has built-in caches. And what surprised me is the server cost is not high at all. They have a pay as you grow prices, meaning let's say if you are just starting out, you can choose the lowest plan, and then when your site's traffic increases, you can increase the CPU and the RAM amount in the same server without having to deploy another server. Everything is within an affordable budget. As an exclusive discount for my viewers, there will be an extra 30% discount link for the first 3 months in the description. Now they have a one-click installation process, means you can easily set up a new website on your server, or if you want to migrate your existing site into Cloudways, they have a plugin for that too. So there is no coding or technical process involved even if you decide to migrate your site into Cloudways, which is what I'm going to show you live in this video. Whether you run a blog or personal websites or have a business of any kind, Cloudways is affordable with impressive security features and do not require any tech knowledge. I'm going to explain everything about Cloudways in this video and do a live website setup and do a live migration into Cloudways. If this is what you like, then make sure to watch the video till the end. Let's begin. Now first, let's deploy a server. To deploy a server, go to servers, click on add server, select WordPress, give name test server 1, test server 1, select test purpose. Now here you have the option to select DigitalOcean, Vultr, Linode, AWS, Google Cloud Platform. I recommend you to select DigitalOcean. Now if you are just starting out, you do not need 2 GB plan. 1 GB is more than enough, and as your site's traffic increases, you can then always come back to your Cloudways account and increase the server resources without deleting or migrating to another server. Now there are lots of locations to choose from. I'm going to select San Francisco for this one. Click on launch now. And you can see it says $14 monthly. But if you use my link from the description, you get 30% discount for the first 3 months. Now it's going to take some time, so let's wait. And we have the server ready. If you click on this www, it will show you the WordPress under applications. And if you click on applications over here, it will also show you your WordPress. This is your website details. This is the login URL. This is the WP admin username. And this is the WP admin password. The username is your Cloudways account's email address. Let's open WP admin dashboard. Copy the username. Paste. Copy the password. Paste. Login. Just update this. Now let's connect a domain. Under application management, you will see domain management. Now, before connecting the domain directly into Cloudways server, we are going to route the domain behind Cloudflare. This is because Cloudflare gives free CDN, content delivery network, and it will make your website very fast. Now, I have the domain at Dynadot. Dynadot is a domain register. You can have your domain at GoDaddy, Namecheap, Porkbun. The process is the same. Now, I'm inside my account, and then we're going to come here, DNS settings. Click on name servers. Now let's add the domain into Cloudflare first. Cloudflare.com. Create an account, it is free. Then click on add a site. Add site. Select the free plan. As you can see, they give global CDN. Continue. Click on continue. Now we have to copy this Cloudflare name servers into our domain register. DNS settings. Name servers. Put the first server. Copy the second server. Save name server. Click on done, check name servers. Click on finish later. Click on check name servers. Now it's going to take some time, so we have to wait. And we have the domain added. Let's go to DNS. Now let us first delete these old records. Delete. Delete. And delete. Now we need the Cloudways server IP, and we are going to create two DNS records here. Let's get the Cloudways server IP, access details. This is your Cloudways server IP. Click on copy, add record, a record, add, leave it on proxy, save, add record, select CNAME, www, copy, paste, save. And we are done here. Now let's add the domain. Add domain. Setup.xyz. Select the domain. 3 dots. Make primary. Set as primary. And the domain is added. Let's go to access details. Let's check. Copy the username, paste, copy, paste. As you can see, we are inside the WordPress dashboard. Let's do some basic setup. Let's delete this first. Now you should always use either GeneratePress theme or Astra theme, because these themes are very fast and lightweight and can be customized to any extent. For this video, I'm going to use GeneratePress. Activate. Now, as you can see, the site is ready. Now you can start adding articles and whatever you want. Now let me explain these functions. Staging management. Now this feature allows you to create an exact copy of your live website for experimenting with plugins or themes, because sometimes a plugin or a theme can just break your site, and if you do it on your live website, then there is a good chance your entire website can break down. So with this staging management feature, you can do tests on your website, and when you are satisfied, you can just push the result to the live website with the click of a button. Now next comes monitoring. This just monitors the type of traffic coming to your website. PHP, you don't have to touch any of the settings. MySQL, running cron, Disk usage, it shows you how much server resources you have consumed so far. Now next comes bot protection. Now you do not need this bot protection because you are already behind Cloudflare and Cloudflare has a top of the line bot protection. This cron job management tab provides a simple interface to set up your own server cron jobs. This is a Linux command and you really do not need to do any of this. SSL certificate. As our domain is behind Cloudflare, we already have the free SSL from Cloudflare. In case you do not use Cloudflare, feel free to install the SSL from here. Cloudways gives free Let's Encrypt SSL. Just enter your email ID here and then the domain name including www, then select wildcard and click on install certificate, and that's it. Deployment via Git. Now this feature allows you to deploy code to your application from your Git repositories. Your Git repository must support Git over SSH for this to work. Again, this is for Linux users and we do not need to think about this because we prefer one-click stuffs. Cloudways has this amazing safe updates feature. When new updates are launched, such as theme updates or plugin updates or even WordPress updates, you need to manually check your site for errors because many times there can be compatibility errors, and this updates feature automatically detects, tests and installs all updates for you and ensures an update won't break your site. It's really a handy feature and saves a lot of headaches and frustrations for the end user. You can even schedule automatic updates so that it happens automatically when required, and it does cost some money starting from $3 and goes down when you start having more websites. Backup and restore. Now you can take backups. Also, Cloudways has an offsite backup solution and they charge around 0.033 per GB. What they do is take a backup of your website and they keep it an external server, which is more secure. And here are the application settings where you can disable or enable certain settings. You do not need to touch any of these settings. Let this stay default. Migration tools. Now I will come back to this and I will do a live migration for you guys. Cloudflare. You do not need Cloudflare Enterprise. The free plan is more than enough. Now let's set up a business email. Click on more options, add-ons. Now Cloudways do not provide free business email. They charge $1 for a business email. Rackspace email. Click on add mailbox. Put your password. And then click on save changes. Then comes elastic email. Suppose you have many transactional emails that you want to send. See, you can send like 8,000 emails for only 80 cents a month, 12,000 emails for $1.10 a month, 15,000 emails for $1.40 a month. Just click on any of these plans that you want. Click on subscribe. And one thing I forgot to mention is the Astra Pro. Now Cloudways has teamed up with Astra to provide the Astra Pro theme free for the first year, and you can use it on unlimited sites. And then you are paying only $4 a month for unlimited sites. This is a pretty nice deal if you ask me. And here you have team. Let's say you have team members and you want to add them into your Cloudways account. Add new team member. Put the email address of your employee. Status active. Put a name. Select any job title. Permission. Let's say you want that particular team member to handle support for you. So just click on the support access and select add member. That team member will not have access to the billing area and the console area. And this is where you will have all the servers that you have deployed. Applications will have all the WordPress that you have deployed. And if you need a help, they have a live chat support 24/7, 365. Now this shows the projects associated with this server. Now this shows you how many team members you have added. You can add from here or you can also add from here. Now I am going to migrate a website into Cloudways. This is one of my dummy blogs. I'm going to migrate this site into Cloudways. For plugins, add new. Search Cloudways. Click on install now. Activate. Oh, and before I continue, I want to mention that if you don't want to do the migration yourself, you get one free migration. Just go to their live chat support and they will migrate your site for free. If you want to do it yourself, follow these steps. It is very easy. Put your Cloudways account's email address here. Click on migrate. Destination site URL. Now we have to deploy a new WordPress. Let's go to Cloudways. Click on applications, add application. We're going to add another WordPress in the same server. You can have multiple websites in the same server. That is cost effective. Add application, test server. Test to test purpose, add application. It's going to take 2 minutes. Let's wait. Click on this. Now we need this URL. Copy, paste, SFTP host server address. Copy, database name, DB name, MySQL access, DB name, copy, SFTP username, copy, SFTP password, copy, keep this no, yes, yes, no. Click on migrate. And the site is being migrated to Cloudways. Now the amount of time takes will depend on how big your site is. And the migration is complete. Let's check. Applications, test 2. As you can see, the website has been migrated. Now let's add the domain name here. Copy the server IP. Let's go to Cloudflare. Online foods. We have to just change the server IP. DNS settings. Edit. A record. And that's it. Add domain. onlinefoods.com. Add domain. Make primary. Set as primary. Now let's check. As you can see, everything is done properly. And this concludes the video. Hope you got value from this video. Use the link in description to grab the 30% discount link for the first 3 months. Your support means a lot to me. Thanks for watching, and if you have any question, let me know in the comments below.